In this video, you will learn about color wheel, and its types. The color wheel was invented in 1666 by Isaac Newton, who mapped the color spectrum onto a circle. The color wheel is the basis of color theory, because it shows the relationship between colors. The ribe or red, yellow, blue color wheel is typically used by artists, as it helps with combining paint colors. Primary colors are colors that can't be mixed from other colors. There are three primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors are colors that result from mixing two primary colors. The secondary colors are purple, red mixed with blue, orange, red mixed with yellow, and green, yellow mixed with blue. Tertiary colors are colors made by combining a secondary color with a primary color. The tertiary colors are red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet. Intermediate colors are made when you mix a primary and a secondary color, that are next to each other on the color wheel. The name of the primary color are always listed first, followed by the intermediate color they are mixed with. These colors are yellow-orange, yellow plus orange, red-orange, red plus orange, red-violet, red plus violet, blue-violet, blue plus violet, blue-green.